If you're a skincare formulator like me, or you are just obsessed with glow and done with those stubborn dark spots and stretch marks, then you will love this glow oil I made right from home. So I started confidently pouring in my oils, throwing in actives like I was a skincare chef until my first small buzz happened. I added Kojic Acid Deep, Dipalmitate, that's Kojic Deep for short, thinking it would dissolve instantly, but no. I forgot that this oil needs heat, not vibes. You see, here is where many people confused. They always get confused most of the times. Kojic acid and Kojic Deep are cousins, but they don't roll the same way. Kojic acid, it's water soluble and very picky. One small mistake like this, with pH or temperature of over 50 degrees centigrade, and it will crystallize like a heartbreak. No going back, it's wasted powder, and your serum go dey cry. But you see, Kojic Deep, oil soluble, it's very shy. It's a shy guy. You have to gently warm it before it dissolves fully. No hot oil or frying, please, please and please. So yes, I messed up at first. I added it cold. I added it into cold oil. Nothing happened. I added more oil. I still get ghosted. Finally, I said, let's heat this thing like a serious formulator. I gently warmed it up and boom, it melted and blended perfectly. This oil is loaded with sunflower oil, vitamin E oil, carrot seed essential oil, Kojic Deep, not Kojic acid, Kojic Deep, and Deoxyarbutin. All skin friendly glow and very focused on glowing your skin. It's made for that woman who wants her skin to speak luxury without bleaching and without stress at all. And listen, if you want to make skincare like a pro and not waste expensive powders like I almost did, please don't guess measurements at all. Don't you guess measurements. It's very important for you to be sure and be accurate. You can see me warming my oils, checking my temperature. These are very important steps. And also don't forget to always write your recipe down either in a paper or in your book, right? In my August training class, I'll be breaking down full percentages, ingredients, pairings, what to mix with what, and what never to do together or what never to mix together. This oil doesn't just glow you, it nourishes the skin. Like, look at that. It nourishes your skin, helps with hyperpigmentation, stretch marks, dullness, and sun damaged skin. And yes, this is home formulated, no big factory needed at all. Just one woman with good skincare sense and better ingredients. If this oil inspires you or made you smile, like and share and tell me in the comments, have you ever tried dissolving actives and have you ever tried dissolving actives and they refuse to cooperate? Let's learn, laugh, and glow together, one formula at a time. Take care, guys, and I will see you on the next one. I remain Abby. I love you guys. Mwah.